To Skrill transaction history, the ultimate showdown. Ever looked at your Skrill transaction history and wished for a delete button? You're not alone. Let's get straight to the truth about clearing your Skrill history and what you can do to take control. The big reveal: can you delete your history? The short and simple answer is no. For critical security and legal reasons, think anti-fraud and financial regulations, Skrill, like all financial services, must keep a permanent record of your transactions. Think of it as a digital fortress protecting your financial data. It's a feature, not a bug. But don't worry, you can still manage, filter, and organize it like a pro. Step-by-step guide to managing your history. 1. Log in and navigate. Sign into your Skrill account and head straight to the Transactions tab on the left-hand menu. This is your command center. 2. Filter with finesse. Instead of deleting, use the powerful filter options. You can sort your transaction list by date, type, payment, withdrawal, etc., or status. This instantly hides what you don't want to see, giving you a clean, focused view. 3. Export for your records. Want a clean copy for your personal files? Click the Export button, usually a download icon. You can download your history as a neat CSV or PDF file. Organize it, save it, and keep your main Skrill view clutter-free.